Ladies and gentlemen, we are Hell's the Poppin' Circus Sideshow Review, alive, up close and in person, undraped and unashamed. Right before your very eyes, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see things that you never imagined possible.
Watch my tongue. All the way up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We get off there. Move back in the line.
Yes.
I think I'm stuck.